Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my backyard, and today I have the Sun2Solar, and what this is this is a pool cover. So you can see I have my pool there, and I have it heated up to something like 90 degrees because I like it nice and warm. But the problem is, it's a little chilly here today. You can see it's like 70 degrees, and so it doesn't really keep it hot enough. So I got this solar cover, and so what this is supposed to do is make it stay warmer, because right now my pool's only getting up to about 85. So we're gonna put this on and see how it works. So I'll show you what it looks like as I'm putting it on. Okay, bye. Well, yes. Okay, so I unrolled it and I put it in the pool, and so you can see this is what it's looking like so far. I'll probably have to cut it to make it fit a little bit better, but it's covering the pool, so we'll see if it keeps it warm.